New and exciting details are revealed about Elon Musk's Cybertruck as Tesla prepares for a riveting delivery event at Giga Mexico. Construction is in full swing, accompanied by the sighting of almost 200 megapacks in the enormous factory. But where are they going? Join us in unraveling this electrifying production update and brace for a groundbreaking era of transportation. The Cybertruck's eagerly awaited delivery event is inching closer, and all eyes are on Giga, Texas, where a symphony of activity hints at an electrifying September. On August 13th, eagle-eyed drone observer Joe Techmeyer unveiled a tantalizing image: 9 mysterious, shrouded vehicles poised in the outbound delivery lot at Tesla's Austin Gigafactory.
The day was 9 Cybertrucks in the east outbound transportation lot. They were all covered with car covers, but it was pretty easy to tell what they were.
The unmistakable boxy contours give away their identity. These are undoubtedly the Cybertrucks. The enigma lies in their state. Are they production test specimens or fully fledged marvels? With only 3 weeks of production under their belt and full-scale manufacturing months away, the presence of these candidates isn't far-fetched. Brace yourselves as September beckons, and Tesla's pre-production journey for the Cybertruck has been a marvel of efficiency. However, the plot thickens. A glance at August 11th offers a glimpse of a Cybertruck riding a Tesla semi-pulled trailer. Intriguingly, it's missing key trim pieces and wears battle scars. A telltale sign. This isn't headed for a lucky customer. It's a prototype engaged in rigorous testing. This aligns with recent sightings of similarly battle-worn Cybertrucks, suggesting ongoing tests of their off-road prowess. As we shift our gaze to Giga, Texas, the covered Cybertrucks dotting the landscape reveal a story of meticulous care beyond mere testing. Recent close-ups, like those by Instagram user at TriggerTX on August 9th, spotlight Cybertruck features previously unseen. The mammoth 35-inch custom Goodyear tires, held by 6 lug nuts for enhanced strength, are on full display. The suspension, scrutinized by industry veteran Sandy Monroe and his team, boasts an aluminum cast designed to detach during crashes, prioritizing passenger safety. Additionally, a carbon fiber casing shields the battery, a fusion of costly protection and lightweight durability, perfect for off-road adventures. While the rear suspension maintains conventional steel origins, each detail of the Cybertruck's construction leaves enthusiasts buzzing with anticipation. As we dive deeper into the world of the Cybertruck, one noteworthy feature captures our attention: the ball joints responsible for its unique 4-wheel steering mechanism. While this detail isn't groundbreaking, it marks our initial close-up encounter with the Cybertruck's suspension. Yes, it's still in prototype form, and experts from Monroe's team have pointed out a couple of interesting observations. Firstly, the front tie rods appear to be fashioned hastily, possibly as a temporary measure. Secondly, there seems to be a lack of shielding for certain delicate suspension components at the rear. These nuances are indicative of prototype stages, but the proximity of testing to Tesla's projected delivery date hints at the finality of these structural elements. The march towards September's reveal continues, and with it, the promise of unveiling more intricate insights. The growing presence of delivery models within Giga Texas's expansive parking lot assures us of the ongoing preparation for the momentous event. Meanwhile, a groundbreaking development is taking shape on the tangible terrain of Giga, Texas. Reports from local Mexican journalists have unveiled Tesla's dynamic progress within its new Gigafactory facility in Nuevo Leon. Evident from a video shared by Milenio on August 10th, heavy machinery and preparatory roadwork converge to pave the way for imminent construction. However, this snapshot merely scratches the surface of the extensive groundwork that preceded the arrival of these formidable machines. The strategic site preparation, a precursor to significant construction efforts, was meticulously undertaken. Recent reports from the governor's office hinted at swift advancements in permit acquisitions, underscoring the proactive approach toward regulatory processes. This confluence of efforts propels us into the realm of anticipation, suggesting that Tesla's construction crew may have already commenced construction activities by the time this information reaches your ears. Amidst the flurry of activity and anticipation surrounding Tesla's Cybertruck, intriguing developments are taking place on the construction front at Giga, Texas. While the usual build permits have been a focal point, an additional intriguing piece of the puzzle emerges from a recent report by Forbes Mexico. Tesla, it seems, has submitted another application for a build permit, this time seeking permission to construct an industrial warehouse adjacent to the Monterrey-Saltillo Highway in the municipality of Santa Catarina. This location is none other than the heart of the Giga Mexico site itself. As we've witnessed from Tesla's meticulous preparations to lay the foundation for the main factory structure, this particular parcel of land necessitates certain environmental exemptions. Interestingly, considering that a warehouse typically doesn't require substantial water consumption, the wait for these permits might be relatively short. It's worth noting that in a conventional factory build, the construction of warehouse buildings, whether attached or standalone, would typically take precedence. These structures would then serve as storage spaces for the delicate materials essential for the factory's production process. The strategy of prioritizing the more challenging permits first, as chosen by the construction site's program manager, appears to be at play here. Irrespective of the sequence, Tesla's plan to construct this warehouse as part of the initial phase remains intact. Upon permit approval, construction activities will commence, marking the beginning of a dynamic process. In the initial stages, we can anticipate land preparations taking shape, likely accompanied by foundational groundwork and utility installation within the first few weeks of breaking ground. The subsequent phases will see the erection of steel structures, pouring of concrete foundations, and the steady progression that mirrors the established patterns observed in previous Gigafactory projects. The timeline for initiating these endeavors in 2023 is a promising indicator. According to Tesla's latest projections, Giga Mexico should be poised to initiate vehicle construction in the first quarter of 2025. By this time next year, the physical structures themselves should be standing tall, a testament to the determined pace of progress. With a well-maintained build schedule, Tesla aims to transition seamlessly into setting up production lines and conducting rigorous testing. As things stand, 2025 stands as a viable target for full-fledged production. The only enigma that looms is the extent of challenges that the desert terrain of Nuevo Leon might pose during the actual construction phase. Meanwhile, at Tesla's Megafactory facility, a parallel view unfolds. The production of the company's Megapack battery storage units is gaining momentum. A recent flyover conducted by a drone operator on August 10th provided a captivating visual. A total of 193 Megapack cabinets were spotted, meticulously arranged across 2 lots at the Lathrop, California facility. This impressive spectacle, appearing ready for deployment, underscores Tesla's proactive efforts to enhance energy storage and underscores the company's strides towards a more sustainable future. Within the vast expanse of Tesla's Megafactory facility, there is a relentless pursuit of energy innovation and sustainable solutions. At the heart of this narrative lies the commercial battery storage units, and there are 2 formidable versions. The first is a 2-hour model, capable of storing a substantial 3,854 kilowatt-hours, while the second offers an impressive 4-hour capacity, accommodating 3,916 kilowatt-hours. The grandeur of these units is echoed in their price tags, with both models commanding over $2 million each. As we gaze upon the landscape of Tesla's Lathrop, California location, a mesmerizing spectacle emerges. A congregation of these battery storage units, their collective value estimated to range between $380 to $500 million. The tantalizing question lingers. Where are these countless megapacks destined to make their impact felt? While clues remain unclear, it's plausible that these units serve multiple projects, each contributing to Tesla's multifaceted endeavors. The implications are monumental. A robust quarter appears to be on the horizon for Tesla. Throughout 2022, the global stage bore witness to an eruption of Megapack battery facilities sprouting across the globe. Governments, acutely aware of the need for fortified power grids amid the escalating climate crisis, eagerly embraced the concept of battery backups. Tesla, attuned to this surge in demand, established the Megafactory in Lathrop as a beacon of response. The orders for their megapacks surged with such velocity that Tesla had to make a rare declaration. The units were sold out until at least late 2024. Embedded within the very infrastructure of the facility lies a potent capability, the potential to produce a staggering 10,000 units annually. Should the demand for these units flourish to their full potential, the influx of revenue could reach an astronomical $20 billion. The imperative to set the wheels of Lathrop's operation in motion becomes abundantly clear, as Tesla's aspirations align with the urgent need for reliable, sustainable energy solutions. The current manifestation of 193 units on the factory grounds may appear modest in comparison, yet it is merely a fragment of Tesla's grand vision. The creation of this monumental endeavor requires adept navigation, and Tesla is committed to addressing the complexities. As the lithium refinery in Corpus Christi, Texas materializes, along with a constellation of similar projects, Tesla finds itself with a multitude of endeavors to manage. The promise of substantial revenue beckons, but managing these multifaceted ventures demands a delicate balancing act. Time emerges as a crucial ally, allowing the mega factory to meticulously sort through the pre-orders and streamline its operations. Gradually, more regions will bask in the glow of reliable power, a testament to Tesla's unwavering dedication to transforming energy landscapes and forging a sustainable future. As the mega factory's story unfolds, intertwined with Tesla's global pursuits, we stand witness to an unfolding narrative that reverberates with ambition, innovation, and the potential to reshape the world's energy paradigm. Stay tuned, for each twist and turn holds the promise of groundbreaking strides that will resonate for generations to come. So do you plan to buy the Tesla Cybertruck? Or is it not your style? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.